Stein. Че, контейнер бы. Tört adamları. Tört adamları. Ben aldım öbür uçtu. Çekil vurdu. Ben aldım öbür uçtu. Buna gidiyorum. Çekin. Mağa geldi. Ya ben kimin üzerinde duruyorum? Yollar beti biraz çürüyorum. Ne video varken? Kızıl video. Daha biri var.
Some renegades fucking up the game. All the lanes only ready for these flames. Getting deadly in these games. My lane, but you know my name on it. Renegades fucking up the game.
Başına geldi.
Y'all know my name, bitch. Y'all think I'm famous. Yo, this ridiculous, meticulous. Yeah, I'm ready 10 deep, we dangerous. Yo, all about a dollar, that green, no scheme. Hollow when you call it right, me so mean. But I grind so hard that my shoes so clean. I'm making no harm, but when yo team don't give me the light show. Give me a mic and I'll plenty of line to go. Henny a line, my bro ball so hard, but I still got bounce. Tunes on made for you like it sounds. We'll bring it up, but I break it down. Scan brought trees on mighty now. Got turban to hit, now we going out. No who where are we showing out? Some renegades fucking up the game. All your lanes, all ain't ready for these flames. Getting deadly in these games. In my lane. Bitch, you know my name, run it. Renegades fucking up the game. Starting we some ready. Game starting with some.
Kimin yapacak?
Yeah, 30 million streams now as humble as it gets. I satisfy the soul, every goal I ever set in mind. Me, they out here plotting, but ain't know what to expect. Bars, candy bars, sugar-coated calories. Eating up this garbage, y'all peoples must have some cavities. Never shed a tear as I'm tearing up these tragedies. Here, drama squad, digging up some graves for the casualties. I ain't never give a single fuck about another. Only my brothers, only my moms, you're only my raps, you're only my fans, you're all my backs, you're only my bitch, you're all my backs. You're one thing, know that I'm the tax. Life on check, what you know about that? Never holding on back when I write my track.
Geçtik o gazı. Dostlar bu. Gelsin bana ne olur? bir kaç kata var. Üçüncü teyzenin oradayım. Kısa çıktı. Nindi. Kırışına. Kata var. Yürü düzgün de çekil. Ağzını yüzünde. Git koy kapatır balya mı oldu? Git. Otur. Başka bir sanım yok mu? Tamam. 3 kişi tamam.
Let me see you lean and rock with it like a boss. Now let me see you lean and rock like a boss. Now let me see you lean and rock with it like a boss. Now let me see you lean and rock like a boss. Like a boss.
Yeni
Now let me see you lean and rock like a boss. Now let me see you lean and rock with it like a boss. Now let me see you lean and rock like a boss. Now let me see you lean and rock with it like a boss. Now let me see you lean and rock like a boss.
Zaten fare falan. Öyle fare. At.
Too loud for you motherfuckers. Too loud for you motherfuckers. Too loud for you motherfuckers.
them all. Back down, no, we standing tall, yeah. We ain't throwing up, best believe until it's plaques all down the wall. And we still gon' get it, still gon' fall. My team so litty, the team so raw. We ain't had much here to begin with. We gon' sound off, we gon' hit them hard like whoop. Here they come, here they go, yeah. We had highs, we had lows. We gon' set it off in these streets with these beats. I'm a god, you know, I got the flow. Easing up don't sound much like me. New bitch here trying to be a wifey. When they think that it out of our reach, we gon' bring them all back high key.
Trap like
What the fuck?
Leveling up, yeah. All this pressure that I just been dealing with, turning my rock bottom into diamonds. So many questions if I'm even feeling it, or did I lose on my interest in rhyming? Too many times the people I thought would be with it, shitting on all that we built. But soon as every record we started gets finished, the sooner these niggas get killed. There ain't a problem unless you an issue, my dude. Move out the way of the real. We make it jump, you make it up. Tell them that independent is the deal. Who else is constantly working with ease? Take them to church whenever I please. I'm in his image, you looking at God, so you see the heavens when you see the squad. I'm on my loaded, bucket and reload. The beauty is that I'm in beast mode. Win it without any cheat codes. Ain't nothing sweet, bro. If it's money, let's all try to eat, though. Make a million to split with the people that never gave up on the vision. Yeah, you get it. Yeah, you get it. Oh, you a sick. Oh, you a sick.
if you wanna trap like
Lately I've been contemplating every decision I've ever made. I know there's no right time to say this.